No one person can ever achieve the grand goals of Brigada Eskwela without everyone's strong support. As we usher in the so-called new normal in Philippine education this school year, we as well unveil a novel way of observing our yearly Brigada Eskwela. Aided with technology and World Wide Web, we kick-start our day with the first ever school-based virtual Brigada Eskwela kickoff just after the Division Virtual Brigada Eskwela kickoff. Our distinguished guest of honor and speaker, Governor of our beloved province, Honorable Amado Pugi Aispino III, to our school's Division Superintendent, Dr. Sheila Marie A. Primicias, CISO 6, to our local Chief Executive, Honorable Martin Raul S. CISO III, our Bistondo District 1 school heads, teachers, stakeholders, supportive parents, volunteers, donors, and all our public viewers. Please do accept my warmest greetings as we converge in this unprecedented 2020 school-level Joint Brigada Eskwela and Oplan Balik Eskwela virtual kick-off. Bilang nakaangkla sa temang pagpapanatili ng bayanihan tungo sa kalidad na edukasyon para sa kabataan, tunay nga namang ang bayanihang bahagi ng kulturang ating nakagisnan ang susi sa pagbibigay ng kalidad na edukasyong nararapat lamang makamtan ng mga Pilipinong mag-aaral. Brigada Eskwela's theme is aptly for this culminating activity where all local communities and our stakeholders are glued together to respond to the needs of the schools and be part of the nationwide efforts towards improving Philippine basic education by utilizing all possible resources they could provide to get the school ready comes school opening. As once quoted by Saturo, individually we are one drop, together we are ocean. Synergy, cooperation, unity and compassion are the keys to the successful continuity of education amid struggles brought about by the virulent pandemic that the world is dealing with. Ang pagpapanatili ng pagbibigay ng edukasyon sa mga kabataan ay hindi lamang nakaatang sa iisang tao. Mas epektibo at sigurado ang tagumpay ng ating mga mithiing makapagbigay ng kalidad na edukasyon kung tayong lahat ay may iisang damdamin. Kung ang apoy ng ating sinumpaang tungkulin ay patuloy na nagniningas at kung ang pagtutulungan ay maghahari sa ating lahat. Hindi po biro ang ating kakaharaping new normal in Philippine education, but with the initiatives of the Department of Education to mitigate the impact of the pandemic on the education system, such as webinars for the teachers aimed at gearing the latter toward digital teaching, learning, and with the advocacies, projects, and programs of the school's Division Office Pangasinan, led by a visionary leader who is untiringly and continuously transforming the SDO1 Pangasinan into a world-class public office. Truly a faithful public servant as she is, Dr. Sheila Marie A. Primicias, Schools Division Superintendent. The teachers are undoubtedly in battle and are one step ahead of the uncertainties. Education must continue according to the Chief of Education. No amount of disease could ever suppress our purpose, even amid global health crisis, emotional turbulence, and restriction on physical movement. Together, we'll walk as one nation to make education accessible to all. Albeit, our observance of the Brigada Eskwela this year is extremely different from the previous ones, as physical and social distancing are imperative. The desire to keep our schools ready and safe for the school year still burns unceasingly as evidenced by the pre-brigada activities in every school through workplace safety and organization training in 2019 and early this year. To wrap things up, as stated in Ecclesiastes chapter 4, verse 9 to 12, two are better off than one, because together they can work more effectively. If one of them falls down, the other can help him up. It is only through sharing of skills, talents, collaboration, and selflessness that will propel us to succeed in all facets of the so-called new normal in Philippine education. Once again,